So we have this frosting, and we have this too. We have a rolling pin. We have a rolling pin to dough it, and we have some butter, a big butter, and we have this mixing to stir it, and we have this icing like that. It's black icing. And we have some eggs, and we have this powder to mix it. We have some more, and we have this thing to dough it, and that's all it. Now we're gonna pour this, mixing it. Jayla, wait. And that's done. Gotta get more. Alright, we're gonna pour this, and Daddy had to fix it. Cause I'm not strong enough to do it. Alright, so you can pour it now. Okay.
You gotta crack your egg.
Alright, crack the egg.
You gotta crack it. What are you doing?
But don't get no shells in it.
No, Jayla, you gotta now put the egg in there. There you go. Don't throw the shell away. There you go.
Alright, now what else we need? Butter. We can't forget butter. I got it. Butter. Did you just copy me? No. Daddy, can you help us? It helped us.
Okay.
Alright, go. Get this butter.
Hold on. Hold on. I gotta get the scoop for you.
I got it. I got it.
Okay, she gonna. Yeah. Okay.
Gotta get it all in. Good job, yay. Yeah.
Okay. You gotta stir. Use this spoon. One of y'all can use this spoon.
Okay. Looks so fire. Gotta mix all that egg. Hey. You ate. Hey. So we right now mixing it. Crush it, smush it. Get that. Not yet.
Don't move it yet. Hold on. Don't move it. You gotta wait. Hold on. Gotta get some more.
Okay. That'll be more. More. That's it, Jayla. Why don't you say more?
Okay. Hold on. Don't move it yet. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. There you go. You messed it up a little bit.
Okay, my turn.
Okay, it's Sissy turn.
I know how to do this because you showed me. Cookies. Cookies, yeah. I like cookies. think there's a lot.
A lot?
Cookies. A lot cookies.
It's a lot of cookies?
Yeah. It's easy to turn off. A lot cookies. A lot cookies. Cookies are real.
Okay. That's enough. You gotta spread it with a spoon. Take it like this. Make it more even.
And cookies.
Oh,
Tires.
it's even.
Tires. Alright.
You can lift it up.
Now lift it.
Alright.
We do another one?
Yeah, you do another one.
Alright.
This Jayla turn.
Okay.
That's what you tried to do. Hold on, Jayla. Gotta pick up some more.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, hold on.
Don't look it.
Yeah, don't lick it. Okay, come on. Get your spoon. Cause it's fast. Get your spoon. Come on, Jayla. You just really move it, huh? Go in the bathroom and wash your hands then.
Okay. You don't want to look it. Now, open it up. Alright, my turn.
Okay, hold on. We're finna wash your hand. Okay, finna wash your hand. What'd you get on your hand?
This,
This? What?
this, and this one.
Let me see. Oh man. Okay, we're almost done. We can put it in the oven. And that's gonna be it. Alright, that's enough. That's almost it.
That's real minute.
You stacked it up on top of that one.
Alright, Jay, go wash your hands. You can do, it's your turn, Jayla. But you have to go wash your hands. Okay. Daddy.
Okay, we can put it in the oven. Okay, we can put it in the oven.
Yeah, guys. Bye. Alright, guys. So, look at the cookies. I did that look like a snowman. And that one supposed to be a scoop. And, yeah. We have these cookies. And look. We have this frosting to decorate it. And we have this one to decorate it. So, let's get in the wheel. Let's get in the wheel. Make it. I think I'm gonna do a smiley face.
No, you don't draw the faces with that. It's this one, the black one you do. You put it on your cookie like this.
I got it. Okay. I got it.
And just put the white one on your cookie.
Daddy. I got Daddy.
I can't even see really on the
I
one.
got Sissy. I got Sissy.
Jam, why are you doing so mean? Tell me what
I
nobody.
got it. I got Daddy. Got it.
You got it.
Yeah.
I forgot that side. Jay,
Hold
stop.
on. It's gonna be your turn next, Jayla. Hold on. She's doing hers.
Ew, that's your hair, Jayla.
Ew. Oh. It's off.
Okay.
Okay.
No, don't turn it off. We need it. Oh, your hair. Somebody here right there.
Where?
Right there. Somebody here. Who hair is that?
Why would you keep putting icing on top of hair though? You gonna eat it, hair?
No, I didn't know. I thought it was. I didn't see.
Might be in your hair.
No, I'm over here. Jay's right here. And her is probably.
Okay, you put too much in one spot there.
Jay, you can do the black one. But you have to do.
Mine. Yeah.
Giant cookie. You gonna do this one?
You in my.
wait till they cool off, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do them.
Yeah.
Okay, let's finish this last one.
James, can you do that one? What are you making, Daddy?
You're not making it right now. You're just putting the ice on the top of the cookie. I keep telling you it's the black one. You keep asking that. Come on, Jalen. Come on. I'm gonna put some more sissy. It's just a bit empty right here.
I do not like that much frosting.
Okay. You gotta squeeze it, put it on there.
Jay, right now you know it's good. So we use all the frosting because it's no warmth though.
Yeah, it's about used it all. Okay, we gotta put it in the refrigerator and let it cool off. We'll be right back.
Bye.
Jella, careful.
Let go.
Okay, yeah, you can go.
Okay. So we're gonna do smiley face.
We're supposed to do the same, but we.
Wow, it's
Hey, eat this. And then we forgot the little nose. No.
you can draw it on that one too. Do the other one.
Okay.
You gonna
You
draw
face. This is something else. Ew. You are fire.
Snowman.
Fire.
Do you want to build a snowman? I don't know what you're
We're doing something.
Okay, I gotta do this one.
Yeah.
I guess you're doing that smiley face. That's too late. You gotta put so much ice in. You gotta do it like the last time.
Yeah.
What's the name? Everybody wants that much chocolate.
I didn't know this was chocolate.
Chocolate something. Is it good? Oh, that's enough.
Alright. Kalia.
That's what you drew.
Look at me like you right there. You got it! Don't chalk on you!
Get your thumbnail.
Whoa!
Get groove on. Get groove on.